Hey there, this is Wendy. I'm a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator, and I'm here today to just quickly show you the awesome paper share that I have available now. You can actually reserve it now. You will be invoiced for it via PayPal on May 25th, and then you'll pay your PayPal invoice by May 31st, and you'll receive your awesome paper share between June 8th and June 20th. So I'm going to show you what a paper share is and explain it a little bit so you can see what you're getting in on. Okay, so this is kind of a sampler of a paper share. So basically what I do is I go through the catalog and I order all of the papers. All the papers that you can order pretty much I order, with the exception of a couple, and I'll tell you about those at the end. I order all of them, and then I cut them. If they're not already cut, I cut them into 6x6 sheets like this. And then I put a really pretty label on them that has the name of the paper, the item number, what is in a normal 12x12 size pack. But here's what you get. You get these cute little 6x6 packs of designer series paper in these packages. And it's a sampler, essentially, of all of the designer series papers in the catalog. So you're able to decide which papers you like the best, because I don't know if you're like me, but I personally have to see paper to know if I'm going to like it. I can't really tell in a catalog. So my goal is to be able to allow you to be able to see all the papers and then decide which ones you might want to buy more of. Or maybe just getting the sampler is going to be enough. Maybe you don't need more than just the sampler. So this is the Tranquil Textures Designer Series paper. This is one side, and then this is the other side. So as you can see, you get 2 sheets of every design. So all I do is I take these and I cut them into 6x6s very nicely. They go into these nice little plastic sleeves, and they have a label put on them. And you'll get a stack of everything in the catalog, except for wood textures, because that's already been released in the old catalog, so it's a carryover item, and the lasered detail paper. It's just too difficult to cut. So everything else will be included. Okay, so here is some of the new in color designer series paper. I thought I would just show you this really quick. You're going to get 1 of each design of these, but there are several sheets. So I'm showing you one side, and then you turn it over, and you have these gorgeous polka dots. Isn't that beautiful? I just love this paper. So you'll get that sampler pack. So some of the packs only have 1 sheet of each because they have more designs. So Garden Impressions, for example, has 48 sheets of paper in a real pack, in a normal pack, for each of 12 double-sided designs. So you're going to get 12 sheets of this Garden Impressions Designer Series paper, but it's only 1 sheet of each design. But there's 12 of them, so it's a lot of paper. So there are over 175 papers included in this paper share. This is not all of them. This is just a small sampling of what I have. And so if you're interested in getting in on this paper share, there is a link in the description of this video that you can click and fill out the form to reserve your spot. And I just want to try something here. I haven't done this before, so I'm just going to try showing you this. Okay, hopefully you can still hear me. So there's the paper share. It's $56. That includes shipping. You can sign up at the link in the description, and you get 175 plus 6x6 size paper samples. So really, really good deal for your money, and you're saving, actually, you're saving a little bit of money in doing this, and you get these beautiful papers. So I thought it would be really fun to do a giveaway today of 1 of these packs of designer series paper. So this is, excuse me, I have a cold, or allergies. Nature's Poem Designer Series paper. And these are the gorgeous papers in it. I just really love this paper because it is going to be very pretty for making nature stuff. Exactly. So it's named very appropriately. So this is one side, and then this is the other side. This is my favorite side. So I'm going to give this away, but I'm not going to choose the winner today. I'm going to actually choose the winner for all the giveaways over the next couple weeks on June 1st. I'll do a live event and I'll just have tons of giveaways that day. So I hope you tune in every day for my Facebook Lives from now until June 1st, because I am going to be doing Facebook Lives every day. All you have to do to be entered to win this pack of Designer Series paper is comment on this video and share it. That's it. That's all I ask that you do. Okay, if you're interested, like I said, in purchasing, let me come back on screen with you there. So if you're interested in purchasing this paper share, all you have to do is click the link, sign up. It's in the description of the video. Sign up, reserve your spot. You'll pay on May 25th. I'll send you a PayPal invoice. As long as it's paid by May 31st, you'll receive your paper share between June 8th and June 20th. So I hope you take advantage of that offer from me. Thanks so much for hanging out with me. If you have any questions, you can always feel free to email me, and I'll add my email to the screen here. And so you can email me at any time if you have any questions about the paper share or any other Stampin' Up! Questions. And I will be back tomorrow. I don't know what time. It just kind of has to fit into my schedule. So unfortunately, I can't give you a time, but you can always catch the replay. Thanks for hanging out with me. Bye-bye.